Sing the wondrous love
of Jesus. Sing his mercy and his grace in the mansion bright and blessed. He'll prepare for us a place.
Okay, please, let's start it over. Let's do justice to our sister. Amen. Come on.
Sing the wondrous love of Jesus.
Sing the wondrous love of Jesus. Sing his mercy and his grace in the mansion.